Buongiorno and welcome back to Brooklyn Cooking. Today we're doing our first outside show with my new Grilla Grills. This is the Primate. Seems like the rave of the times now is a griddle. So this is nice and versatile. It comes with a griddle, and also you can take this off and have all barbecue, and then it comes with another griddle that takes the whole thing. Anyway, today we're making some chicken fajitas or chicken burritos, whatever you want to call them. Start with a little oil, and we'll do the vegetables first. Little onions and peppers. It's got a couple of controls. Right now it's kind of hot, so I turned off this burner. Got enough heat between the other two burners. It's always good when you're working with these to have a thermometer, and you can check. Right now we're at 390 on here and 600 over here. Chicken's gonna go here. Of course, we always need some salt and pepper. This is really not a recipe show. This is really showing a little bit of cooking on a griddle. Right now I have this off so I can not burn myself. Nice thing about when you get a griddle, we get a real griddle, rather than just putting one on the barbecue, you have a little hole here and all your grease goes into a catch thing underneath. So I really like this. I'm not going to bore you with cooking the vegetables for 20 minutes. We'll keep them going, and then we'll come back when they're about done, and we'll put the chicken on. Chicken will take a couple of minutes, and we'll be done. Okay, we're just about ready for the chicken. Put a little oil down, but I have a lot of oil already in with the chicken. So this should go pretty quick. And just cut a couple of chicken breasts up into small pieces, as you can see. And I seasoned it with a bunch of spices. A little of this, a little of that. I use chili powder, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Whatever you like. I use paprika I put in there, and cumin. Use what you like. It's not rocket science. You don't like cayenne pepper, don't put it in. You don't like garlic powder, don't put it in. You notice on my inside videos, I got small Italian flag and American flag. Always have the American flag in a place of prominence out here, as I'm very proud of my Italian heritage and our Italian cooking. We're American first. I would never fly the Italian flag without the American flag. Okay, we're ready to get this off. Hopefully I do okay. I'm not great with this picking up stuff. Especially my hands are burning here. I'm doing pretty good so far. Whoops. One of the problems is that you lose a couple when you're sloppy. I'll just put it all together. Sometimes we'll have this with rice, sometimes we'll have it with tortilla shells. Today we're doing tortilla shells. And I'm going to try something different here. We'll see how this works. I never did this before. It could be a complete failure. Oh, look at that. I did good. We'll try one more. Well, 2 for 2. This is supposed to be a family dinner, but this looks so good. I gotta try it out. We'll get that's good enough. Okay, normally I put some sour cream in here and some other stuff, but that's all inside. I'll just add a little cheese. We'll give it a shot. Delicious. I surprise myself sometimes. That's it for Brooklyn Cooking, and we'll be back shortly. Hopefully we'll do some more, and we'll get outside a little more.